కోవిడ్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్లో భారత్ 100 కోట్ల డోసుల మైలురాయిని చేరుకుంది. భారత్ లాంటి జనాభా అధికంగా ఉన్న దేశంలో ప్రణాళికాబద్ధంగా వ్యాక్సినేషన్ అందించడం సాధ్యం కాదన్న వారిని ముక్కున వేలేసుకునేలా చేసింది. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ఈ ఏడాది జనవరి 16 నుంచి కోవిడ్ వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ప్రక్రియ ప్రారంభం కాగా 1 కోటి డోసులు పూర్తి కావడంతో సర్వత్రా హర్షం వ్యక్తమవుతోంది. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో గవర్నర్ తమిళసై సౌందరరాజన్తో మా ప్రతినిధి రమ్య ముఖాముఖి.
భారతదేశం 100 కోట్ల వ్యాక్సిన్ మార్కును చేరుకుంది. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో గవర్నర్ తమిళసై సౌందరరాజన్ ప్రస్తుతం మనతో ఉన్నారు. మరిన్ని వివరాలు మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. Ma'am, first of all, this is a proud moment. What do you say about this?
Yeah, I also, as a citizen of India, I'm very proud that we have crossed the 100 mark vaccination today, 100 crore vaccination today. And January 16th, when we started it, it was a dream to each and everyone. And I thank our Honorable Prime Minister for continuously motivating the scientists to produce the vaccination and all the medical fraternity for administering the vaccination, and I thank all the scientists for producing it, and I thank all the people for taking the vaccination with confidence. And my appeal is that please don't be hesitant to take the vaccination. The rest of the people also please take the vaccination.
Ma'am, so many even developed countries also looking forward to India now because of our victory. Do you think our strategies worked out properly?
Yeah, definitely. Not only strategies, our meticulous planning. Because when we were able to produce small amount of vaccination, we targeted only the doctors and the frontline warriors, and then the 60 plus, and then 45 plus with comorbid situation, and then 18 plus. So the meticulous planning and targeting the groups which are more affected is really helped us and to combat the disease virus in a very successful way. And we were all afraid of the third wave, and I should say because of our increased number of vaccination, we are not actually we cannot say that whether we will face, but we are not facing it. That is my opinion as a doctor also.
But in still some areas like tribal areas, so many people are not getting proper vaccination. Even though you tried to motivate them and you took some vaccination, first dose of your there. So what the message you want to give for the people and the healthcare professionals who need to give the vaccination at tribal areas? How can we plan the vaccination there?
Yeah, first of all, we should celebrate this 100 crore vaccination in the tribal areas, and they should know that India it's a moment to celebrate. And another thing, they should know that only the vaccination is the protection against the pandemic. And now the scientists are telling from pandemic it will turn into be an endemic. So we have to take, for tuberculosis we are taking. So like that we have to take the vaccinations. And the tribals should be alerted that they think that there is no corona, so why should we take the vaccine? Because most of the people are taking the vaccination only. The corona, we are not facing the corona, that number now. So we have to motivate them and we have to alert them because it is a life-threatening complication. And another thing, if a tribe is affected because they are living in a remote place, so the medical help won't be there, and so we have to alert them. So it should be a moment to motivate them.
Also, we are going to celebrate 3 crore mark within 1 or 2 days. But still, there are so many lakhs of people, nearly 36 lakhs of the people not getting second dose of vaccination because of some hesitation. Even though they are already, the due date is completed. So what do you think about this?
No, I appeal them because if you take the second dose only, that the effect of the vaccine will be there. And apart from that, don't be hesitant to take the vaccination because they think that some allergy reaction will occur because already you have taken the first vaccination. You are very safe, and now we can take the second vaccination. And another thing I want to tell who are all hesitant to take even the first dose also. So many people have taken. Nobody is dying nobody is losing their life because of vaccination. But they are losing their life because of not taking the vaccination and because of COVID. So this message should be conveyed to the people, and people should be alert and should be safe by taking the vaccination.
Already people who are getting vaccinated, they are eagerly waiting for their kids to get vaccinated. Yes. So when can we expect this vaccination? Because already central government is giving Zydus Candila training for the healthcare professionals.
Yeah, we are very proud that we have produced the vaccination. But as we made a meticulous planning for the adult vaccination also, this will be given for the risky students, whether obese or comorbid children with comorbid situations, and then the general population will get. And we are very proud that we have invented a vaccination for the children from 2 to 8 years, because no country in the world has produced a vaccine for such population of such age group. And we are very proud, and definitely country will take forward when it is produced and when it is available and to whom it should be given. So definitely our country will plan in that way. And I thank our Honorable Prime Minister for his continuous motivation and this achievement.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మ్యామ్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.
Thank you.
ఇది 100 కోట్ల మార్క్ ఏదైతే టీకాను అందించిన మార్క్ ఉందో దీనికి సంబంధించి ప్రతి ఒక్క భారతీయుడు కూడా గర్వించాల్సిన విషయం అంటున్నారు గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్. కెమెరా పర్సన్ పురుషోత్తంతో రమ్య, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్, హైదరాబాద్.